I am not great at assembling things. In fact, I'm terrible at it. If something can go wrong, it'll go wrong for me. So I'm going to attempt this by myself, but I'll probably have to call for backup. I've already checked to make sure I have everything. This stuff was packed impeccably. You can see all the packing materials. There was styrofoam throughout. It was perfect. The bags are labeled with the letters on them. The poles are labeled with numbers, and the wood also labeled with numbers. I am missing C and G, so maybe that's the tools. Yes, it's a C. It's a screwdriver, M4 and M3 for these little, are these Allen wrenches? I think that's what they are. The diagrams are listed by number 1, 2. The Allen wrenches are 2 different sizes. Easy so far. Moving on to step 2. Doing great, only messed up one time. It shows a whole bunch of different arrangements that you can do, and it's saying that basically if there's holes you can adjust it. I like it like this. I'm leaving it. I'm never changing this. I'm screwing these in for life. And the last step is the wall anchors that they included. Took me about 2 hours to assemble it. I made multiple mistakes. Most people would not make the same kind of mistakes, especially if you're used to putting things together. I am not good at putting things together. This is not terribly heavy. It's so solid and such good quality. If I were to give the assembly a rating of 1 to 5, with 1 being the worst assembly I've ever done and 5 being the best assembly I've ever done, I would give this a 5 because the instructions were really clear. Yes, I made mistakes, but those were my own mistakes, not due to anything written in the book. Everything was laid out clearly. The little holes showed everything. It was step by step by step. Even the bags with the letters, genius. And I have extra screws, but I'm certain I did everything correctly, so they just sent extra screws. This company is amazing.